hope you're doing good. My strategy for filming these videos, I'm just going to film whatever the workmen are up to at the time on the day. I thought it was the easiest way because quite a few rooms are getting renovated, instead of just stockpiling all the footage and uploading it room by room. It's kind of exciting with all the different rooms. I also like the fact that I have to be up at a certain time every morning because that gets me out of bed. Long may it last. I love this paper towel holder, but it's a pain to change the paper towel roll. So I'm basically just letting them do things in what order they want to do. Not letting them, they're just working how they want to do it. I'm fine with that. So that's why I thought every day that they work, I will make a video and put it up at the end of the day to show you all the progress. I'm still really excited. I'm probably a bit calmer now because it started, you know, the anticipation of things like that happening. Don't have any straws. No. Oh no. I forgot to buy some. I've got that straw, but that doesn't fit. How am I going to drink my iced coffee? It's quite a gloomy day today. It's a bit cold, which is really nice because it's summer in New Zealand and it can get quite hot. So I'm just going to sit outside and have my iced coffee for 5 or 10 minutes. It's a few hours later and that's the shower and it looks really good, guys. I'm really happy with it. It looks so much better than the one that was there. I will show you that, but I'm planning on making a video of before and after of all the bits of the renovation, and these videos are more just about showing you what's happening as we go along. It's looking great. I'm really happy with that. I've come outside because they're sanding in my kitchen and I thought I'd just take a little walk. Their next job, once they've done the house, is to do the garden. I'm super excited about that. So there's going to be a few videos for a while, guys. I hope you enjoy them. So the fireplace surround has been sanded. It's looking really good, guys. Just a few more marks to come off, but honestly I felt like it took weeks to do the bit I did. I didn't really, but it felt like that. So that's actually going to get varnished. It's going to look awesome. I had painted it white, if you knew what the kitchen looked like previous to this today. And yeah, I thought I'd bring it back to the wood. So that's really cool. You saw the video about me knocking through. I was going to knock through to the laundry and make a butler's pantry, but I'm not going to do that anymore. I will explain that when I explain why I've done things the way I have and changed my mind in another video. I mentioned that yesterday, if you saw that video. But so those doors are getting painted, all the doors are getting painted, and the drawers, and the island down there is getting painted, and that is the undercoat. So that's not the colour. There will be two colours in the room. So that's been sanded. It's going to look awesome. I thought we might have had a final colour on today, but we haven't, because these things just take time. That's okay. I'm sure we'll have a final colour in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more renovation.